Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sweet Yourself. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. This is the measurement I am using and you can change it according to your requirement. In this video, I will share you how to cut and stitch a silk skirt for 8 to 9 year baby girl. For that I have taken a silk fabric, a cotton fabric and a lining. Now let's start marking. This is the blouse piece. Now I will separate the blouse piece from the skirt. This is the joint between the blouse piece and the skirt. Now I am going to trim here. This is the blouse piece for the top. I'll share the cutting and stitching in my next video. I'm folding the fabric widthwise. These are 4 layers. I'm leaving 1 inch extra for the first 2 layers. Length of my skirt is 33 inches, so I mark a point at 33 inch. I am extending these lines. Now I am going to cut it. I'll draw a straight line for the extra 1 inch. Then I'll make a small notch at the top. With this skirt cutting is complete. I have folded the fabric widthwise. These are 4 layers. This is folded edge and this is open side. In my measurement, length is 12 inch, hence I am marking 12 inch. In my measurement, shoulder is 5.5 inch and neck width is 2.5 inch. Mark half inch for shoulder slope, joining these point with the neck width point. Armhole depth is 5.5 inch. My chest measurement is 7.5 inch. Plus 2 inch for seam allowance, but here I have only less quantity of fabric. So I will attach the extra piece of fabric while stitching. Mark 1 inch from this point. Then I am drawing a armhole curve. From this point, mark half inch for front armhole curve. Front neck depth is 4 inch. Back neck depth is 2 inch. I am drawing a round neckline for both front and back. Now I will cut it. I am placing this extra fabric on the side and I will attach it. Now I am marking 7.5 inch, then extra 2.5 inch for seam allowance. My waist measurement is 6.25 inch plus 2.5 inch. From this point I am marking 1 inch above. I am drawing a slight curve. I am joining these 2 points. Firstly, I'll cut the back portion. Now I'm separating the back portion. Then I'm trimming the front armhole curve and the neck. This bodice cutting is complete. I have taken a lining fabric. I am folding the fabric widthwise. These are 4 layers. These are open side. I draw a straight line to trim the uneven edges. From this point, mark 6.25 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. I am leaving some extra space here. While stitching, I will compare with the bodice measurement, then I will attach. I am joining these 2 points. I am drawing a slight curve. Now I am going to cut it. With this cutting is complete, now let's start stitching. Firstly, I will attach this extra piece with the borders. This is the back portion. I am giving a slit at the center of the back portion. I'll attach the shoulder now. For neck, I am folding the fabric twice and I will give a stitch. Again for armhole, I am repeating the same. I finished stitching the neck and the armhole. I have taken 2 pieces of strips. Width of the strip is 2 inch. Length is 10.5 inch. It totally depends on your body's length. Now I will place this strip like this and I will make a stitch. Then I will fold and turn the strips. Similarly, for the other side, I will place the strip down and I will make a stitch. Then I will turn the strip. I'm giving a top stitch. I fold the fabric twice and I'll make a stitch. And this is for giving hook or button. I have finished attaching the strips at the back part. Now I will place the fabric like this and I will give a stitch only at the center. Now I will attach both the sides. With this, border stitching is complete. I have taken a skirt. Now I am going to give a small frills. According to the formula, I have marked 1 inch and 1.75 inch. I am making 1 inch frills and leaving 1.75 inch inside. Hold this point and leaving the other point inside. Then check whether it is 1 inch and repeat the same procedure to make frills. Always pin the fabric. Before making frills, pin the fabric and check the hip size, then start stitching. I finished giving frills. In my measurement, hip is 28 inch and check whether it is 28 inch. I'll make a stitch now. I am folding the sides and giving a stitch. I am attaching the sides of the lining. I am folding the bottom twice and giving a stitch at the inner edge. Now I am attaching the other side. Similarly, I am attaching the sides of the skirt. I finished attaching the sides for both skirt and the lining. Now I am placing the lining inside so that the right side of the lining facing wrong side of the skirt. Now I am placing the skirt inside of the bodice by facing right sides together. Pin the fabric and make a stitch. With this stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.